from my county. But ineptness, not village, county. And the Honorable Junet must know I do not just come from a village. I come from a village called Mayaihe that hosts the Alliance High School. And I don't need to say that. That is why the senior counsel, Otiende Amolo, the other day I went to a village school. But you know, it is so derogatory to refer to the Alliance High School as a village school. Honorable Speaker, I was saying, on Ken, Honorable Speaker, because that is a bigger issue. We cannot be committing public resources to construction of roads. And the engineers who designed those roads know that they have designed a road that is going to touch on a particular land that belongs to members of the public. By the time they are committing a contractor, they must have made sure that the monies relating to land compensation have gone to NLC and the people compensated. Because we are also misusing and misappropriating public resources when contractors are penalizing the same Kenha for idle time because they cannot access the ground where they are to do a road. Honorable Speaker, is not just Jomvu. If you go to my constituency here, and those who drive to the western parts of Kenya will tell you, the junction around Gitaru, at the intersection of 3 major national highways, the southern bypass, the western bypass, and the Great Northern Corridor, Wayakiwe-Rironi interchange. That interchange, Honorable Speaker, has stayed for like 4 or 5 years without being completed on account again of land compensation. And Honorable Speaker, the same thing with Kisumu, and the Honorable Junet will tell you, the Mamboleo Junction. Honorable Speaker, you must protect me from Honorable Junet. He's telling me to pronounce junction as Junction. And he knows I hail from Kikuyu, not the other part of that part of the country where the Honorable Tiende Omolo would say Junction. So the Mamboleo Junction has stayed, I think Mamboleo is close to 9 or 11 years, incomplete. But you can be certain the contractor there is charging for idle time, for idle equipment, and penalizing